Hello viewers, welcome to YQARCH Studio. I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 most important commands of YQARCH in AutoCAD. So let's get started. If you don't know about the YQARCH plugin, the link is given in the description. You can watch all the videos and easily download from the given link in the description. So let's get started. This video is basically related to the 5 most useful command of YQARCH. So the commands are basically, the first command we are going to discuss is super offset. This command we use for the super offset if you want multiple offset in AutoCAD. So the command is basically super offset, and you need to type SF for this and enter and click on the setting, and then here uncheck all except the double side offset, and then give the value. The value is basically in the inches 6, 12, 18 and 3, just like this. And if you want to change the unit, just type YQ unit here and click. Here I selected inches. It depends on you which unit you select. Now again SF and click on the setting, give the value, OK, select the object and enter. Now give the direction. I want offset inside, so the inside offset is just like this. Okay, and now again SF and setting. Here I have given the value 6, 12, 18 and 3 inches. It depends on you. Okay, select object, enter and outside, just like this. So this one is 3 inches, this is 18 inches, 12 inches and 6 inches. This is how we can use super offset command in AutoCAD. So the next command is basically super break. As you can see, these all are single line. These all are single line. And if you want all the if you want to break all these line and it is intersection point, so the command is basically super break. So you just need to type BA, enter, select this and enter. Now you can see these all lines are break in multiple lines at the intersection point, as you can see. So this is how we can use this super break command in AutoCAD. Now the another one is line scale. As you can see, here we have different types of lines, different line types, and with different layer with different color. If you want to change the line type, the line scale here, so you go to the properties and from here you change the line type. Okay, just like 6 you type here, so it takes a lot of time, but there is a shortcut command that is line scale, and you just need to type XT, enter, select this one and enter. Now as you can see, you can easily change the line type. Okay, and now if you want to change all the lines at once, you just need to type XT, enter, and then select all the lines, enter. So here you can see the line type. You can easily increase and decrease, just like this. So I hope that you like this command. Now the other command is basically line width. As you can see, we have different line types and with different layers. So the command is basically line width. So you can change all the lines width with single command. Just type SSW, enter, and again SSW width. You need to give the width like 30 and select object and enter. Here you can see, just like this, you can increase the line width. And if you want to change the width of all the lines at once, you just need to type SSW and then select all the objects and enter. So here you can see all the lines width is changed. Now the most important command is to make multiple copies of one object, single object. Now the command is basically CV, enter, and select this one and enter. Base point is this, and the second point, direction point, is this. Here you can see this command is just like the array command. And again, CV, select the object and here you can see. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and tell me in the comment bar if you have any issue. And if you want to install the YQARCH plugin, the link is given in the description. You can easily download from there. Thank you for watching this video.